比特币$9000贵吗？贵，而且还会越来越贵。权威预测，比特币目标价上看25万，连空头大师索罗斯、石油大王洛克菲勒家族都纷纷抢进，你还等什么？比特币交易学院 Bitcoin Trading Academy 中文投资网3大分析师，纽约课程全面大晋级，线上线下同步热烈报名中，拨打1800-958-8561，微信沃尔网2018，现在满5枚，5年换豪宅。
newcoins168.com 一个赚钱的网站。大家好，今天是2018年6月22日星期五，我是主持人王萌宇，欢迎大家收看第182期的 newcoins168比特币大赢家，一档紧跟加密货币赚钱契机的节目。首先，我们先请 newcoins168的编辑 Sina 为我们分享加密货币市场的新闻和相关期货概念股的表现。
据 Coin360 的数据显示，全球市值前100大的加密货币在6月22日短短几个小时内都出现了重大损失。截至发稿时，所有加密货币的总市值已下降至不到2684亿美元，当天下跌了160亿美元。根据 CoinMarket 的数据，所有市值前10的加密货币在24小时内都下跌了4%到10%左右。其中 EOS 下跌幅度最大，价格为9.45美元，下跌幅度为10.08%。比特币交易价格约为6240美元，在24小时内下跌了7.41%。以太坊在过去24小时内遭遇更惨重的损失，下跌8.46%，交易时价格约为481美元，已跌破500美元关口。日本金融服务局称，加密货币交易所反洗钱环节存在缺陷，要求几家大型加密货币交易所改善其反洗钱规则。据悉，东京地方法院已经批准下令停止 Mt. Gox 的破产程序，并启动民事恢复程序。Mt. Gox 受托人表示不会再出售任何比特币。加密货币方面，截至发稿时，市值排名前100的加密货币中，24小时涨幅最大有 Game.com、Funfair，24小时跌幅最大有 Cybermouse、Nano、Elf、Bitcoin。比特币期货方面，截至发稿时，芝加哥期权交易所 CBOE 今年7月交割的比特币期货合约 SBT 下跌8.55%，报6150美元，交易量5321手。芝加哥期货交易所 CME 今年6月交割的比特币期货合约 BTCF 报6125美元，交易量3232手。比特币概念股方面，比特币 ETF GBTC 下跌0.83%，报10.81美元；主板比特币概念股 OSTK 下跌6.36%，报33.85美元；XNET 上涨1.69%，报12.67美元；SQ 下跌1.46%，报66.12美元；NVDA 下跌1.77%，报253美元；GROW 下跌0.65%，报1.53美元；IOT 下跌5.91%，报6.84美元。中概股区块链概念股中，兰亭集时上涨0.97%，报2.09美元；其他区块链概念股猎豹移动上涨1.45%，报10.47美元；拍拍贷下跌0.79%，报6.28美元；四库下跌0.21%，报9.57美元。此外 ，OTC 市场比特币概念股今日涨跌互现。截至发稿时 ，MGTI 下跌7.5%，报0.74美元 ；TCF 下跌10.86%，报0.31美元 ；BTSC 下跌5.92%，报0.07美元。
好的，谢今天的新闻及行情整理。接下来我们请到了中文投资网的分析师 Jason 为大家解析几大加密货币近期走势。Jason 您好。
Hello， 主持人好，或者大家好。那么今天的话呢，又来到了这个环节。我们现在所看到的是加密货币，尤其是比特币是一个破位走势，那么反复向下破掉这个6000美元，最低的话呢，来到了5970美元的位置。现在呢，小幅的有所反弹，这个位置实际上已经比较符合我们原来的一个预判，也就是说6000美元这个位置呢必破，6000美元的位置必破，因为这个位置全世界的人都看到在6000美元有支撑，这个位置反复被试探现在是第3次了在这个位置试探，但是呢，后续的反弹节奏非常非常弱，所以呢，前一段时间呢，一直也在跟大伙说，在这个位置上可能会破位，注意所以呢，既然是选择向下破位了，那么我们就要看破多少呢，对吧？那么这个破多少是市场决定的 啊，市场决定的。我们不可能预知3日，富可敌国。那我们要能知道跌到哪儿就止跌了，那我们就不用做分析师了啊，直接买彩票去就可以了，对吧？就一夜暴富了。所以说我们在做盘的时候，至少到目前为止，从$10,000下来，我们看这些位置，9400，8700啊，8500，7700。以至于前2天的6700、6800美元这个位置是依次下降的。那什么时候反转？那最后一个平台能够被解套，才是反转的这个信号啊，才是反转的信号。或者4小时图呢，能够站到布林线中轨上方啊，才是一个反转反弹的一个信号。所以呢，目前来说，加密货币市场还是总体要看一个向下的调整格局啊。至于能够砸得多深，在这个位置上呢，我们要看市场啊，要看市场最终的一个选择啊。那以太币的话就不用问了啊，跟比特币呢非常类似，如果向下跌破的话呢，不排除再次去试探$400的一个前期的低点啊。其他币种的话呢都不用说了啊，有的跌的都更惨啊，尤其一些小币种、平台币啊，这个有的币种的话呢跌的可能会更惨一些。所以呢，目前我们看以太币、比特币这2个大币种啊，都是大方向、小方向都是向下的。所以呢，现在也要马上进行一个真实的破位走势。大家呢在这个位置上，如果想有时间去交易的话，最多就是抢一个反弹。如果没有时间的话呢，我觉得还是等到趋势有逆转状态的话呢，我们再进场。这样的话呢，对于我们资金的保护和这种获利的稳定性会比较好一点啊。那么非常感谢大家呢收看本次的节目，咱们下次节目再见。
谢谢分析师 Jason 带来的操作技术分享。接下来是中文投资网 NewCoins168的 ICO 分析师 Preston Home 带来币圈内部趋势专业分析。我们今天一起来看 Preston 今天谈的 ICO EOS。
Hey everybody, my name is Preston Hom, and for today's daily ICO update, let's talk about EOS, or ticker price EOS, as well as Bitcoin and Ethereum briefly. So as all of you guys have known by now, EOS has launched their main network already. It was supposed to have launched on June 2nd, but fumbled that launch date and actually launched on June 9th. Since then, there has been a lot of problems. Now, here are the main reasons why people are having some fear, uncertainty, and some doubt about this project. I'm going to list them, and you guys can feel free to look them up because EOS's price has been dropping dramatically. From its high of $23, it has now hit $8.65. So the reasons could be 1, there are account freezes. 2, the centralization with delegated proof of stake. 3, the writing of their own constitution. 4, their year-long ICO. 5, the pausing of their blockchain. And finally, 6, their Ethereum sell-off. But that being said, this coin is still number 5 cryptocurrency in the world by total market capitalization. So expect to see a bounce at $7 to $6. But moving on, I want to talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum today as well. So yesterday, if you're part of my VIP live stream or have been reading my article on NewCoins 168, then you will have known about my theory of the 21st of the month. So my theory states that since January, every 21st of the month, we experience a bearish reversal where the price drops, except for the month of April, where we had that big spike in price on April 12th, when Bitcoin went up $1,000 in 60 minutes. And last night, that's exactly what happened. We dropped 10% in Bitcoin and 12% Ethereum overnight. I almost changed my price predictions yesterday when I saw Ethereum had closed 3 candles above my downward and upward trend lines. But today, my prediction for Bitcoin at $5,500 and Ethereum at $434 is still in play. Do not make any big investments through the weekend until we get more trend confirmations, as the price for all cryptocurrencies will be very volatile until we see a clearer trend other than the sideways ones we are seeing right now. So I'm Preston. That's your daily ICO update. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week.
谢谢分析师 Preston。今天的比特币行业采访继续带您来看洛杉矶区块链大会上，来自日本的风投公司跟我们分享为何日本对于区块链和比特币有那么高的接受度。
I think Japanese people are more like, once it gets settled in the world as a common tool, and they start using more like easily. Like for instance, when it comes to forex, like there are people called Miss Watanabe. So those are housewives. They want to make a little spending money after lunch at home. So those people, I mean, not only one, but if they become thousands of them, I mean, it looks like a huge investor, right, moving, right? So what is this? And people are wondering. And they say, oh, it must be Miss Watanabe. So maybe in the same way, once it gets settled in the world, I mean, cryptocurrency's place becomes settled. And then Japanese users will be a big wave. Well, ICO's boom. I do not know, whether it's gonna be harder or it's gonna be slower or it's gonna be a common, way of, investment. But one thing for sure is that the blockchain is not gonna go anywhere. I mean, this is a disruptive technology. So I would say I believe in bright future of blockchain and also that cryptocurrency.
以上就是今天的 New Coins 168比特币大赢家数字货币赚钱资讯美股最新动态，敬请关注中文投资网实时更新。感谢您的收看。